How do you build a multi-million dollar SaaS company without a sales team? I've got a hint for you. It's product-led growth, but product-led growth, it's only half of the story. My name is Wes Bush. I'm here to shift your strategy from struggling to streamlined. That isn't just about hard work. It's about smart, strategic moves that propel you to the top. We're going to go through how to actually avoid some of the biggest mistakes you will encounter when building a product-led business, how to increase your profits, how to actually unlock zero-touch customers without you ever talking to them. And I'm also going to give you access to an exclusive worksheet where you can implement everything you learned in this masterclass directly into your business right away. Action isn't just necessary, it's imperative. So join me in this journey to start growing faster without hiring a traditional sales team.